Several personalities are facing a petition for indirect contempt over their tirades against the Supreme Court's ruling on Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment. Here is the report.
Halata kasi na itong Supreme Court is just siding with Sara. Ako nga, dinisbar ako for a much lesser offense. Samantalang si Sara, katakot-takot na pagmumura, katakot-takot na pagbabanta ng pagpatay ang ginawa niya, hindi siya dinidisbar.
After making scathing remarks against the Supreme Court's ruling that halted the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte, Gadon faces a petition for indirect contempt filed by fellow lawyer Ferdinand Topacio. Rather than back down, Gadon hit back with a taunt, challenging Topacio to a one-on-one singing competition for a cause. Gadon dismissed the petition as a publicity stunt.
No one will ever be impeached from now on. Tapos sasabihin nila, kasi daw maraming complaint, allowed lang once a year. Marami yung nag-file, pero iisa lang yung dinala sa plenary, and that's what counts most.
Topacio, for his part, took Gadon's challenge in stride, but insisted the issue is no laughing matter.
Kaibigan ko yang si Atty. Gadon. In fact, lagi kami nagko-concert niyan. But kasamang Larry, I'm sorry, but this is no laughing matter. I am an officer of the court, and as such, isang katungkulan ko na ipagtanggol ang karangalan at reputasyon ng ating kataas-taasang hukuman. So I'm sorry, I hope we can still be friends. Sa akin, this is nothing personal. This is part of my duties as an officer of the court.
Aside from Gadon, Akbayan Representative Percy Sindanya and analyst Richard Haydarian are also facing contempt petition over their comments on the Supreme Court's decision on Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment ruling.